Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. We all appreciate you guys, and by we I mean my dogs, my husband. We appreciate for all the support on the channel. Kuma's right here ready for her BarkBox unboxing, and also behind the scenes waiting to unbox this box as well. If you're new here to my channel, bienvenidos a mi familia, bienvenidos a mi canal. I hope that you guys like videos related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care. If it is something that you would like to see, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell next to it. That way you are aware of any single time that I post. And before I get started, I just want to say mad love to all of you guys. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. So let's get into it.
Given a chance, always thought we would make it this far. I guess the universe is on our side.
Alright, so today we are doing BarkBox for the month of March. I actually did receive this box, I think last week. However, times have been crazy and I have not been able to film it, so I finally decided to sit down, and we do have like a change of scenery right here right now. I don't know, we'll see how this works out today. So if you don't know what BarkBox is a dog subscription box that you get once a month, obviously. And you usually get 2 toys in there, 2 bags of treats. All the treats are natural and they're good for your animals, for your pets. And you do get like a larger bone or jerky or something in there as well. They do have different size boxes. In fact, I do know that they have like a super chew one for dogs that chew very deeply and things like that. I paid $25 for the box, and it's nice because Oso and Kuma both share them, which is really good because it kind of takes over me having to buy them treats all the time. I literally get this box for them once a month, and that's it. Every BarkBox does have a monthly theme, and for the month of March, it looks like this one is the Great Barkini's Magnificent Magic Box. Oh, it's so cute. So this is a box of magic. So let's go ahead and open up the first thing in the box. All right, it looks like we do have some, what are these, some treats. It says chicken crunchies. This is 95% chicken. Fun facts, it's real chicken with natural preservatives, whole treats. It's natural nutrition. Oh, cool, it's made in Canada. Let's go ahead and see what they look like. So it looks like these are supposed to be crisp and crunchy. Let's see. Oh yeah, they kind of, oh, they feel like the marshmallows in Lucky Charms. This is kind of what, oh, don't want to drop the box. This is, nope. Ah! This is what it looks like. So it's kind of square. Here you go, girlfriend. Oh, sorry, Kuma. And, oh, well, there goes one Osito. Look, it's right here. You want it? Here. I'm gonna give them 2 of them. They're kind of small. They do remind me like Lucky Charms smelling. They're little squares. It's different. I have not seen any treats like this before, so that is pretty cool. Moving on to the next little treats in here. It is Moo Moo Jerky Sticks. This is a beef recipe. It's bursting with USA beef. This meaty treat contains over 60% USA farm-raised beef. It's a chewy jerky and has wholesome grains. Once again, like I did mention before, all their treats are natural, so don't be scared to give this to your animals. It's just like a little stick. So, come on here. Get it, Kuma. Good girl. Osito, you want to get it? Come here, buddy. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Wow, good boy. All right. Well, they're gonna go ahead and finish that one up, and in the meantime, I will go ahead and open up this one. It looks like, oh, this is cool. This is a duck recipe. It is a chew bar. I did say that they kind of give you one bigger one. Usually, I guess, you know, this box is for one animal, but for me, I have them for both my pups. So what I do is I usually just split this one in half. I'm not gonna give this one to them right now, but just so you guys know, it is a chew bar. It's a duck recipe, dog chew, made in USA. That's it. So let me go ahead and move this one on to the side. All right, guys, sorry about that. We had literally a dog fight. They were fighting over the one beef jerky. So Osito went upstairs now because he's upset, and Kuma's gonna finish the rest of the unboxing. So I was just getting to saying that I didn't get to really appreciate what the box is about. So like I did say, it's a magic box. So this is the Magnificent Magic Box. It says, Labracadabra and Hola Kazam. Let's teach your dog some new tricks. So it does talk about, I'll show you guys. In every box, it usually does show you exactly like little toys that your box could potentially have. It reminds me of like the old school Happy Meal toys where you got something different. So first thing I see here, this is Lick a Card, Any Card. This is a toy, obviously, but it says medium to large dogs, 20+ pounds. It says there's 2 squeakers, a tree trap, and a crazy crinkle. So as you can see, it has 1, 2, I know there's a little area somewhere. Oh, right here, look. And you can actually put a treat in there, which is pretty cool for the dogs to have. And what was the other thing? Oh, the crinkle, which is in the middle. So this is super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tag off. And let's see. Come on. Look at it. All right. Moving on to the next and the last one in the box. This is Hat Hair. It's a dog toy. They all say dog toy, obviously. Same thing, 20 plus pounds. It has 2 squeakers, a crazy crinkle, and a multi-part toy. I'm not quite sure what that means. So let's go ahead and take this one off. All right, so crazy crinkle. No, Kuma, you gotta wait your turn. Hold on. Wait. Okay, so there's a squeaky. There's a second squeaky. And oh, wait, as you can see, it literally is a little rabbit in the hat. How freaking cute. So I'm assuming, I don't even know. Hold on, let's mess with this for a second. Oh, look! There he is, it's a little rabbit. How adorable. Okay, so it's the hat and the rabbit, just like that. Look, Kuma, do you like the rabbit? Look at it, look at it. Get it. Oh, all right. Other things that you could have gotten this month, there was the Harry Houdini. There's a little squeaky toy. There's my lovely assistant, which is kind of like a little snake thing. Basically, the theme, like I said, was magic box, so that's the reason why it has all these little cool toys in it. The box is just super cute, and I love that they do have different themes. Let me go ahead and see if she'll play with any of the stuff right now. Baby girl. Here it is. Get it. Come on. And this one. And this one. Oh. Ready? Oh, nice tricks. Oh, you almost got it. Try it again. All right, and that is all I have for you guys. This video was unbelievably crazy. I don't know if it's a setting. I don't know if it's just that type of day. But it is what it is. I hope you guys did enjoy it. This is part of my lifestyle, my family, so I figured I would show it to you guys. She took the rabbit out. Oh my god, how cute. Oh, it's really cute. Ow, Kuma. So anyway, yeah, thanks for joining us. I love you guys, and stay tuned for our next video. Have a great day. Ciao.